see it. Oh, that's you can go through it. I can. Let's see. We have more time. Let's see the next option: profile and tagging. Oh, that we going in public post. Manage who can allow you and who can comment on your public post. You can public friends. You can decide who can share your stuff or type your post. Oh, blocking. The next option, I mean, reviewing people you briefly block it. Here, everyone you block in Facebook, you can found here. Oh, location. Manage your location setting. Who can see your location, or who Facebook can see you. Activate stores. Show when you are activate. Oh, that's one. You can just deactivate it if you didn't want anyone see you are online in Facebook or something like that. You feel what I'm saying? Let's go to next category. Your Facebook information. You can view or download your information and delete your account anytime you want. Here you can control everything. Account, your information. You can see your information, everything you have. Activate lock. Everything you do. Comment in Facebook. Comment in post in Facebook or react in the video you found here. You activate. Off Facebook activate. You can offline your activate. No one can see what you do in Facebook or something like that. You know. And you have account ownership and control. You can manage your data, modify your legacy content, deactivate or delete your account and more. You can delete account here. Browser, you can clear browser if you have login using public laptop or public PC in the coffee shop. You can clear your browsing. And where is memorization setting? Decide what happened to your account after you pass away. If you pass away our date, who can memorization yourself? You see, you can choose one of your member in family and you can edit in this setting. Deactivation and deletion. Temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account. If you hack Facebook, you can delete that your account or deactivate, or can you deactivate your account if you don't decide to delete your account. And go to next setting. Sorry. Where we are right now. And download your information. Download a copy of your information to keep or transfer to another device. You can download everything: stories, posts, messenger message, posts, even Facebook game you play, Facebook payment, Facebook marketplace, comment and reaction and stories, bug bounty, and short video and feeds and groups and your problem review, other activate, etc. Everything you do in Facebook, you can download it. And go to transfer a copy of your information. You can transfer to, let's see, copy your photo, video, post or other information to another service. You can download to another service like, well, let's see. Oh, you are security, please enter your password. I need to enter my password. I cannot do it. Let's go to another section, ads. Review how we use data to make this ads you see more relevant. You can spend a lot of money in Facebook. You see, hide the ads. You can hide the ads, hide the ads, hide the ads, hide the ads, hide the ads. Everything you don't like to see, you can hide it. Advertising you hiding. You see, yes, I don't like feedback. Go to another section, navigation. Decide how you want to communicate across the Facebook and how you want to use the content. Navigation setting. choose which notification you want and where you receive them. You can control your notification. I will do it off because I play PUBG a lot. When I play PUBG, I have a lot of notification come through my screen that disturb me to play, or click in the mistake way that direct me to Facebook and lose my game. Holy shit. What notification you receive, comment, tags, everything you can control here, video, everything, push, everything you need in notification. And go to next things, text message, edit your preference for receiving and receiving message. And you can receive message here. Oh, this is my personal information, sorry. I cannot do the screen shortcut. You can do so shortcuts, make it easier to access to server on Facebook services for on Facebook you use the most. Short part, you can do short part here. You see the short part in the bottom, home, everything. Marketplace, you can hit marketplace. You see it disappeared. You can profile, job, page you like, gaming, watch, groups. You can edit groups if you like. Oh, you want to turn on, she may not implement volume in short, or you and do everything. You can hide it all of it. You see all of it. I'll edit marketplace, job, and profile, and that's it. I like that. Go to next, and new feed setting. Manage the content you see in your new feed. You can control your new feed. Let's see, tax control and customize your new feed. Let's go on the new feed. Favorites, what you love or unfollow, or connecting so nice, or something like that. God damn. Reaction preference. Control whether the total number of reaction is visible on Facebook posts. You see, you can control everything. Made and contact. This is another action, another new section. Manage photo, video, and sound control. Oh, you can control with the sound. This new option in Facebook. Manage photo, video, and sound control. Continuous content scenes and clip browser data from your phone. Video and photo. Manage your preference for upload and playback. Oh, browser upload content. It's a lot of things. And you see this all settings. Account center. Let's see what is account center. Oh, if you have another account or profile, you see, this is my Instagram story, or login in across account. You see, you do everything you want in Facebook. I hope this video helped you a lot in the setting in Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new stuff. And if you have any question in Facebook or other related apps in social media, don't hesitate. Comment below to see you another video on how to help you to manage your setting, manage your app, everything. And don't forget to type anything you want to see in the new video. And don't forget, stay positive, don't inspire. Dream come true. And see you next time, guys. Bye bye.